That's right, I left New York City to be a digital nomad. Wait, let me properly explain. You see, I love New York City. I have all my friends and my family here. I have a tourism business and of course my NYC themed YouTube channel. But you know what? Sometimes my mind wanders and I start to think, is it really worth it to live in New York City? You know, it's the most expensive place to live in the entire country and the living conditions are super tight. So when Wander reached out to me to stay at one of their new smart home properties made for digital nomads, I jumped on the opportunity and I brought some friends along with me. And that's how I found myself living on a cliff overlooking the Pacific Ocean. Now, does this look enticing to you? Because if it does, keep watching because I'm going to be giving away one free trip to stay at a Wander property. Very exciting, but until then, let's start our trip. So we just arrived to the Wander house. I'm very excited. I'm also nervous because I don't really know what to expect inside. I heard it was a smart home, but let's go check it out right now. You see the Wander side? Let's do it. I'm with Paula, Molly, Jeffrey, and Louie. Oh my God, what the heck? Wow. Oh, look at the view. Oh my. And the jacuzzi. I didn't even know there was a jacuzzi. Wow. I'm just like very excited about this bonfire situation. That's so nice. Oh my God. What? Oh my God. Louis.
Oh, look at the desk here. It's amazing. Just
the way they designed it, there was so much thought put into it. This desk is why it's a digital nomad space. Dude, they even have mics. This is incredible. Like everything's super high quality. Wait, what's in the fridge? Wow, there's ice cream. Oh, and look at what else they have. Woo, look at this. 4K smart laser projector. Wow. There's a fireplace in my room. There's a fireplace here. There's a fire pit outside. Wow. Look at this.
Saying this is like
here?
So when Sarah buys me a new house, this is the kind of fridge I want right here. So keep note of that. Okay, she's behind the camera.
This is my bathroom. Like what? Look at this gorgeous tub. Let's go outside.
But there's a sauna
kind
of looking thing.
What? There's a Peloton.
Look at this.
A Peloton? Oh my God. Wow. What's in there? This is so nice. Is this what people in California do? They just live in these beautiful houses and have saunas and private gyms and
millionaires, yeah.
This is the life that I deserve. God, please.
Look at this view. What? What is that?
Friggin' shell.
That's huge.
I know.
It's like a hat. I also was told that there was a bunch of places to hang out around the property. We have a hammock right over here, so you can just, you know, relax. We have this whole property here to ourselves. It's all private.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, look at this bed. This is the life that we deserve. This is so nice. I mean, the view. And you can see there's seals over there.
There's like a desk here with a chair so you could just work and have a view.
Oh,
I don't know,
what?
But I think I'm gonna retire here. I love it. I love it.
So are you guys relaxed?
I want to live here forever.
So literally from this little bed on the corner of this cliff, I can work with 1 gig Wi-Fi speed. What? It's like the dream life. All Wander homes come with a Tesla. What? This is so fancy. I feel like Elon Musk. I cannot drive a car. I have a license, but I haven't driven in 14 years because you don't really drive in New York. Oh, look at this screen. Look, I can see Paula and Jeffrey right there in the camera. It's a really good quality camera and I can see Louis filming. This is the key. So the Tesla has an app, like Wander has an app where you can control everything in the entire house. What does this button do?
Self-destruct.
So let's go hiking. Louis is gonna drive this Tesla and I'm just gonna live, you know, the smart home digital nomad life. It's gonna be fabulous. So we just got to Salt Point State Park and there's some epic views behind me, and we're gonna grab some lunch and eat on the beach, maybe do a little trail. So we found a little spot on the beach here, and we got our sandwiches, we got our sunscreen. Bella's ready to eat, right? Yay! And look at this view. God, I already feel it. It's like I'm not even touching the water. It's freezing. Oh! How do people swim in this?
You gotta go in a little deeper than that.
That's enough for me.
It feels like a
Thank
brain.
you very much. Okay, so part of the reason this water's so freezing, I mean, it must be like 45 degrees, is because there's a current that comes from the North Pole that goes along the coastline here. So you're getting like, essentially it's freezing ice water coming down here. Bella doesn't care though. She wanted to swim in it.
Like my feet are numb already.
Yeah. Here it is. Here it is.
Hi, it's Molly here. Today we're in the forest and we're gonna have a great time. I hope you guys come along with me while we go on our journey. Let's go!
There are a lot of beautiful hiking trails around this area, so we are doing Salt Point State Park. And look at this, all these beautiful redwood trees. They're super, super tall. Some of the biggest trees and the tallest trees that I've ever seen. That's the cool thing about California. There's so much variety in the landscape. Bella's leading us on this journey.
Very seriously.
Can I see that little carrier you're using? What is that? Ergo Baby. Really good, really comfortable.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
What happened if I go like this? Ah!
It's actually uphill both ways.
Look at the little house. Bella, is that your house?
What if a bear comes out? Hi.
Is that your house, little babe?
Does this look like Lord of the Rings to you?
Yes.
Like Frodo and what's his face would be in? And he'd be
Sam?
like, yeah, Sam, and Sam gets all nervous and Frodo's like, chill! We gotta get the ring to the right place! Look at that, look at that, look at that!
What, Molly?
That's definitely where hobbits are.
There's this Lord of the Rings themed chapel. It looks like really unique. I actually didn't even know it was a chapel when I first saw it.
Where do you put your
You guys, we are going off the trail. I don't think it's a good idea. They literally don't care. Bella's like, I shouldn't have been dragged here.
You know what we should have seen first before coming here?
What?
Cabin in the woods.
No. We smelled something delicious, and it's this barbecue truck that's literally just in a parking lot. The smells, oh my god, it's just, I wish it could come through the camera to you because it's incredible. We're here, we're gonna order 2 pickles, you guys. Pickle punch! Pickle punch! Wow, oh my god. It's like a mop for sauce. How's that pickle, Louis?
Real good. Nice and briny and salty. Woo!
Woo.
Crunchy.
So tonight we're doing a little dinner at home. Look at this. We didn't bring her high chair, but she's living in this little chair.
Handling it pretty well.
She's handling it well.
Oh, come here, babe.
You're an adult.
So we got smoked chicken and ribs right here.
Oh.
They're like incredible. They have this really nice Asian zing seasoning to it.
And this is the world famous guacamole. We have a recipe for that on the site. Cheers, Paula. It's gonna be a good night. It is officially day 2. We started the day here at Stengel Beach. Attempted to get down here, but turns out the steps are dangerous, so I'm not sure really how we're gonna get down. We'll see. We're gonna figure it out. Apparently there's a nice waterfall here. It's a mussel?
Yeah, yeah.
Can you eat it?
Bro, you're
Smells like fish food.
Ugh, smells like.
Gross. These guys are crazy. They're going down here. The waves could knock them off. Not a smart decision, I'm just gonna say. And I already told them, the rocks are wet. That means the waves have come up here. What are you looking for?
If you slip, bro, you're gonna die.
So many clams! I mean, clams, mussels,
Where are
right
they?
there, bro.
I feel like this is a bad
Not wearing
decision.
the right attire for this.
Oh my god, look at all these mussels.
Oh my god. So does anybody have a white wine in the pan?
Let's get it going!
Bad idea. Are you serious?
Ay, Dios, siento que muero. Me estoy ahogando sin amor. Como quisiera poder vivir sin aire.
Yeah, no. This is a small local winery. They have anywhere from like 5 to 7 different types of wine. One of the things I think is really special is the owner and the wine producer here, Barbara, actually served us. We're gonna see how they make the wine inside right now. And the tasting is only $10 and you can buy bottles when you're here. Very delicious.
They always have nice apples, and we love the trees. The old thing is an old orchard going on.
This is like
so sweet.
so sweet.
So good.
Yeah.
We just had the apple wine, which is from the apples that are on this place. Barbara tells me it's no good to eat it, but I will eat it. Oh, it tastes good. Oh, it tastes good. It's fine.
Whoa! Epa! So this is Barbara. She's gonna show us the back.
A couple of fermentation tanks, hand bottling line. You stick a bottle on it.
You bottle everything by hand
Yes,
here?
we do. That put corks in.
It's more special because it's more personalized.
A lot of effort. Yeah, this is a foiler. These are fermentation bins. We just finished everything. Everything's all done for the season. These things, you fill them with the grapes and shove them inside and run the chiller in the building to keep the fruit cold while it ferments. And these are picking bins. They just are sitting
to
here.
pick the grapes.
Yes.
Louis will do this job if you just fly him out here.
Yeah.
No
When
problem.
I start,
I'll do it for free.
can we apply?
Juice in the grape is clear. It's not red. So how do you make a red wine red? You have to get the skins, the color out of the skins into the juice. So you stir it a whole bunch, as many times as we can force each other to do it every day.
Stop on it. Do you do that here? Is that a myth?
No, you can do that if you want.
Oh, you can?
Oh, sure.
What a tour! Thanks, Barbara. It's the morning of our last day and we're doing a little walk around the property. Louis, could you show me what we've created for Bella?
Oh, hello. This is a new fashion trend. It's cool now, but later on it gets a little warm.
And this is actually my old blanket from when I was a little babe.
It's like a secret passage. Whoa, look at this. The sun came out. Woo!
Wow. What'd you see?
Like a heron. I don't know what color, but it was like a big bird. We also saw some seals. Well, we hear them first. I think I've seen one maybe, but they're really good at hiding. But I think they're in that big rock over there.
Yeah, I have to say there's a lot of wildlife in this area, which makes it even cooler that you can kind of work from here. But every night we hear seals in the distance, and sometimes you see their heads bobbing in the water. There's heron, there's eagles.
Wow.
Do you like it?
¿Te gustan?
Do you want to stay here, Bella? Yeah, it's like Hawaii, but
colder.
I mean, it's really incredible. Naturally, so stunningly gorgeous. It feels like you're in a movie.
Right.
So we're here now at Bowling Ball Beach. This is only about a 10-minute drive from the house. And during low tide, they have a bunch of rocks that look like bowling balls all along the beach. Unfortunately, we're here at high tide, but it's still beautiful. You have gorgeous views of cliffs, the Pacific Ocean. There's some good waves here too. I feel like this whole area, I've seen a lot of surfers and the waves can get really high. I mean, like outside of our place, it's like 10-foot waves all the time. We found a cave, look, right over here.
You're definitely gonna fall, and we're gonna leave you here.
Nothing in here, but it's super cool.
Bella, are you happy? Why do you have a scowl? My mom won't let me go in the water. And I'm mad about it. The moment you all have been waiting for is here. I'm going to tell you how you can win a trip like this to stay at a Wander home. What you got to do is you got to go to wander.com/SarahFunky, download the app, and create your profile. You're going to win a stay at a Wander property for 3 nights, 4 days with you and 3 of your friends. Just like me. You're going to have an amazing time just like this. So make sure you enter by November, okay? Because you can really win this. It's going to be a really awesome experience for you. And if you pay $100 to become a Wander founding member, you're going to get the potential opportunity to invest in Wander, $100 credit towards your first stay, a hoodie, and early booking access. And with that, you guys, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Bye!